Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through all the trades I placed last week. I wanted to show you how it went across the span of the entire week and not just one winning trade, so you can have a better understanding of what takes place during a normal week of trading this specific strategy. Okay, so in this example, this is on Monday morning, March the 4th. We have our entry trigger which is provided and we're looking for buys. So in this example, I'm just going to use 1,000 as an example, but we'll be placing a stop loss below the recent low and we're looking for a nice 2R target. So we'll set our TP twice as large as the stop loss distance. Once we have that in place, we simply just wait for the edge to play out and wait for our TP or stop loss to be hit. When I was beginning trading, it was difficult to understand, what time frame to look at and what exactly I was looking at in terms of where to enter a trade and exit. But having this edge found and with the rules set in place, it is very simple to obviously stick to and just see how the edge plays out across the course of the year. So Monday's trade luckily managed to hit TP within the day. So it took around about 7 hours, 6 or 7 hours to hit, but the main part is that profit had been secured by the end of the day. So we noticed at WB that, we found a simple repeatable pattern that we could apply to the charts pretty much every single day. So looking at Tuesday, just waiting for the exact setup to form, and that form there. So again, we will be looking to now mark out our trade. Oh, there it was, sorry. So yeah, we're going to be looking to mark out our trade just here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be looking for sells. So on Tuesday, we're going to place our sell order once we have our entry trigger, and then place our stop loss above the recent high, and again set a nice 2R target for our TP. And again, we'll see how that played out. And if I remember correctly, I believe we got stopped out. So yeah, within the hour or so, we did get stopped out. But as you can see from the chart, just looking across the day, how much price went bullish. And this is just highlighting the importance of making sure you have a stop loss in place, and not hoping for the price to go in your favor, because, it can get very, very sad very quickly. So that being said, let's go on to Wednesday's trade. Again, just waiting for the entry trigger to form in the morning at London Open. Just patiently waiting, to be honest, for our entry to form. And yeah, it has formed there. So in this circumstance, we're going to be looking at buys again because price is going bullish. Stop loss beneath the recent low, and again setting a reasonable 2R target, and then we'll see how this trade played out on Wednesday. But to be honest, all it takes is just one simple repeatable edge that you found that works and just sticking to it, and that's really the main importance of becoming profitable. So 2R on Monday, minus 1R on Tuesday, giving us 1R, and then 2R on Wednesday, giving us a total of 3R so far for the week, going on to Thursday. And again, waiting for this pattern to form. This is a very simple way of putting how this strategy actually works. On the course, we cover this in a bit more depth, just so you're making sure you've got everything on point, you're not making too many mistakes along the way. Again, our entry signals formed here. Again, price is going bullish, so we're looking for buys again. Exactly the same as the previous trades, we're doing our stop loss beneath the recent low, and we're going to place our take profit, so we're getting a nice 2R trade. Perfect. And then all we've got to do again is literally sit back, be patient, and wait for the trade to play out. Obviously, it got a little bit scary there in the morning, but yep, we can't be moving stop loss. We don't move our stop loss to entry, nothing like that. We're just simply, once we have our stop loss and take profit in place, we're just waiting for our edge to pick a side and pick one or the other. And it gets there eventually, but yes, so we do manage to hit the third trade of the week, giving us a total of 5R for Thursday, going into Friday strong. Profits guaranteed for this week, but we'll just see how Friday played out anyway. Like I said, this isn't an edge where you're gonna have 100% win rate, not in the slightest. But if you stick to the edge and let it play out, it does make you profitable. Um, it's just kind of just sticking with it, to be honest, guys, and letting the edge play out. So here, we found our next entry on the Friday. Again, we're going to be going long and, placing our stop loss and take profit exactly how we placed our previous ones this week. I went a bit too excessive there. Yep. So just a nice 2R trade. We're not necessarily looking for the big 10, 20, 30R trades that you might see on your social media. This strategy is very conservative but very effective at the same time, especially if you're, working in a job and you need something that you can do quite easily. It's not going to take up too much of your time. But yeah, that's Friday's trade for another 2R, giving us a weekly total of 7R, I believe. So Monday was a 2R. Tuesday was minus 1R. Wednesday would have been 2R. Thursday would have been 2R as well. And finishing the week on Friday on another 2R, giving us a weekly total of 7R altogether. So that will wrap today's video up. To be transparent with you all, this is a simplified version of how we trade this specific strategy on the course. Here we haven't taken into consideration what causes these setups to become invalid, so a no trade day. And we also haven't covered how you can find a more appropriate stop loss and take profit for each setup, as we'd be going against all of our paying members if I shared these to the public on YouTube. Nevertheless, I hope this video gave you enough of an insight into one way we trade here at WB Trading, and perhaps you've taken something positive away from this video which you can act on. I'd like to say thank you to all of you that made it to this part of the video, and I look forward to speaking with you all again soon. Thanks everyone.